Good morning, children. Let us recapitulate the characteristics of living and non-living things that we have studied in our last class. These characteristics are: living things grow, living things need food, living things move, living things feel, living things breathe. Now let's discuss about the 6 characteristics, that is, living things reproduce. Plants bear fruits. The seed inside a fruit grows into a baby plant. A bird lays eggs. Baby birds hatch out of eggs. A cow gives birth to a calf. A woman gives birth to a baby. So only living things can reproduce. All living things reproduce. This means they give birth to young ones. Giving birth to young ones is called reproduction. Hens lays eggs which grows into chicks. As it is given in the picture, a seed growing to a baby plant. A small seed growing to a baby plant. A hen gives birth to a chick. A cow gives birth to a calf. A woman gives birth to a baby. And you also can tell that a cat gives birth to a kitten, a lion gives birth to a cub, and so on. Non-living things cannot reproduce. From these characteristics, we comes to know that only living things reproduce, but non-living things cannot reproduce. Children, can you tell me, from a big water bottle, can you get a small one? No, it is not possible. That means non-living things cannot reproduce. Now you know that there are many differences between living and non-living things. Fill in the blank given in the table. This table is given. In this table, some of the difference points between living things and non-living things is given. Let us say living things grow. The first point is living things grow. Non-living things do not grow. Living things need food. Non-living things do not need food. Living things feel. Non-living things do not feel. Living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things move. Non-living things do not move. Living things reproduce. Non-living things cannot reproduce. So these are the 6 different points between the living and non-living things. Let us see the summary. From this we comes to know that all living things that we see around us can be divided into 2 categories, that is, living things and non-living things. All living things can grow, feed, breathe, feel, move, and reproduce. Plants can prepare their own food. Human beings take oxygen through lungs. Fish breathe through gills, and plants take in oxygen and carbon dioxide through stomata. All living things need oxygen to survive. Children, here we are completing our first lesson. Thank you.